Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Ricky, aka Ballistic, and you guys have been asking me on the comments how my rims been holding up since I painted them. Well, seeing is believing. I've been telling you guys that it's holding up well, but I want to do a follow-up video, and I want to show you so you guys can see for yourself how these rims are holding up. I also did my mom's rims not too long ago. That was my first trial. I did that in about 2017. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like as well. To the video. Now, if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how I painted those rims, check out my step-by-step tutorial on how I painted those rims. But let me warn you, it's an all-day thing. So if you have any plans, cancel them. But this is going to be an all-day thing. You got to be patient. It took me about 8 hours to do. So start early. Make sure the weather is going to be great. No rain, nothing like that. And I promise you'll be happy with the results. Till next time, deuces.